Hi, it's Raul again. In this episode, we'll take a look at the garden's progress. Today is May 18th. It's been 6 weeks since most of the garden was planted. The pole beans have been climbing up their trellises. Flowering has begun. The butter peas have grown to about 2 or 3 feet. They too have begun to flower. The cucumbers are climbing their trellis. Flowering and fruit set has begun. Here's a cucumber forming at the base of a female flower. This is a male flower which will not bear fruit. Another couple of baby cucumbers. The indeterminate tomatoes have flowered and produced dozens of small tomatoes. I've been tying the stems to the stakes and removing the suckers. These are big beef variety. These are also big beef variety. These are Juliet great tomatoes and Jolly cherry tomatoes. This variety is German Johnson. I've removed the lower branches of my indeterminate tomatoes this year. This may help alleviate the early onset of disease. I'll be removing these yellowed leaves. The determinate tomatoes are much shorter and more compact. They have flowered well and are now producing fruit. These are Inca paste tomatoes. And these are La Roma paste tomatoes. Five weeks after being planted in the garden, the peppers are doing well. Please subscribe to my channel and continue following this year's journey. In the next episode, I'll be installing shade cloth over my tomatoes.